Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So let's start the class, children. We will just give a quick recap of what we have studied till now. So let's start. Subtracting 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. So we have done subtraction of 2-digit numbers with regrouping and 3-digit numbers without regrouping, isn't it? Second, properties of subtraction. First, zero property. If 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the number itself. That is, if 0 is subtracted from 8, the difference, the answer is what? 8. Why so? Because 0 is nothing. You are subtracting nothing from 8, isn't it? So, the number remains same. Second property, before number property. So children, before number property, in before number property what we have studied, when 1 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the number before it. That means if we are subtracting 7 minus 1, we are subtracting 1 from 7, isn't it? So what will be the difference, children? Just before, the number just before 7. So what comes just before 7, children? 6. So the difference is 6. If you are asked that 99 minus 1 is what? The number just before 99. What comes? 98. So the answer is 98. The third property is subtracting number from itself. When same numbers are subtracted, children, the difference is what? 0. 4 minus 4. Here 4 is subtracted from 4, isn't it? Same number subtraction is there. So what will be the difference? 0. These three properties, children, if you remember these three properties, subtraction becomes very easy. Okay? So children, objective of the class is mental maths technique for subtraction. Today we will learn how to do subtraction mentally, as we have already done in the previous class, children. Today we will do word problems mentally. Okay, so let's start the class. Take out your textbook. So children, as we have finished till example 6, today we will start from example 7. Let's start the class, children. Write down today's date. Example 7. These word problems are, children, based on some real life situations, and we will do this subtraction mentally. Let's start with example 7. Meena has 7 chocolates with her. How many chocolates does Meena have, children? 7 chocolates. She gave 3 of them to her sister. Okay, she had how many? 7. Out of 7, children, out of the group of 7, she gave 3 to her sister. Okay, how many chocolates are left with Meena? Now children, when the word left is used after giving 3 to her sister, then how many are left with the Meena, children? What we are going to do? Subtraction. We are going to do subtraction. Okay. So 7 minus 3, children, we can do mentally. Do you remember? The bigger number is 7. We'll keep 7 in mind. We'll keep 7 in mind and 3 on the fingers. And 3 on the fingers, children. Everyone do along with me. Keep 7 in your mind and open 3 fingers. Okay, 3 on the fingers. Now, when we subtract, we count backwards. As I told you in our previous class also, children, that when we do subtraction, we count backward. So, how to count? Before 7. We'll start from before 7, the number which is in our mind. So, before 7, what comes? 6, 5 and 4. So, 7 minus 3 is what? 4. Okay. So, how many chocolates are left with Meena? 4. What you are going to write, children? You are going to write this statement first. Number of chocolates Meena has. How many chocolates? 7 chocolates. Second, she gave away 3 to her sister. So next line you will write number of chocolates Meena gave to her sister. She gave 3 chocolates. Isn't it? You need not write this, children. You need not write this. Then what you are going to do? How many chocolates are left with Meena? You will write number of chocolates left with Meena. You will do direct subtraction. Okay? So you can write 4 chocolates are left with Meena. Clear? You can practice this sum in your copy, children. Let's see example 8. Samir is on 8-day long vacation to Shimla with his family. So Samir went for 8 days. For how many days, children? For 8 days on this long vacation to Shimla. He has spent 5 days there. How many days are left in his vacation, children? Samir is on an 8 days long vacation. He has how many days vacation, children? 8 days vacation. Okay? And in Shimla he has spent 5 days. Out of total, children, he has spent less days, isn't it? Still days are left with him. So when the word left comes here, so what you are going to do? Subtraction. Okay? So first what you are going to write? Number of days of vacation. How many days of vacation is there? 8. Then second line, he has spent 5 days there. Number of days of the vacation spent. 5. Now children, it is asked how many days are left in his vacation. Left when it is asked, what you are going to do? Subtraction. And mentally, how we do, children? The bigger number in mind. All of you do along with me. Keep the bigger number in mind, that is 8. Open 5 on your fingers. 5 fingers have you opened. Now we will do backward counting before 8. Before 8 what comes? 7. Close one finger. Then 6. Close another finger. Then 5. 4. 3. We have closed all the fingers and the number where we have stopped is 3. Okay? So 8 minus 5 what comes? 3. So how many days are left in his vacation, children? 3 days are left for Samir's vacation. Clear? It's very easy, children. Once you try, you will be able to do. Next, example 9. Let us now see an example involving mental addition and subtraction together. In this question, children, we will do addition also and subtraction also. Okay, so let's start. Example 9. Priya had 6 pencils. She gave 2 pencils to her brother and 1 pencil to her sister. Okay, so how many pencils did she give in all? And how many pencils are left with Priya now? Children, in this word problem, 2 questions are asked. How many pencils Priya has? Priya had 6 pencils. Okay. How many pencils? 6 pencils. Now, she gave 2 pencils to her brother and 1 pencil to her sister. Clear? She had 6 pencils. Out of that, 2 pencils she gave to her brother and 1 pencil to her sister. How many pencils did she give in all? So she gave 2 and 1, isn't it? So it is asked how many pencils she gave in all. She gave in all. When it is asked, children, we will do addition. We will add the number of pencils she gave. 2 plus 1. So for that you have to write, first statement you write total number of pencils with Priya. How many pencils? 6. Second line, number of pencils she gave her brother. How many pencils she gave? 2 pencils. The third line, number of pencils she gave her sister. So, 1 pencil. Okay. Now we have to write how many pencils did she give in all. You can write number of pencil she gave in all. So what you are going to do? 2 plus 1, that is 3 pencils. Okay. Now children, the next question is what? How many pencils are left with Priya now? Out of 6 she gave 3 pencils, children. How many pencils are left with her? When the word left comes, what we do? Subtraction. Okay. So we'll subtract 6 minus 3. So you can do it mentally, children. Keep 6 in your mind. Open 3 fingers. Then do backward counting. 5, 4, 3. So we have stopped on the number 3. So how many pencils are left with Priya? 3 pencils are left with Priya. Clear? Don't worry, children. I will discuss this. I'll discuss the answers also with you. Now, our drill time questions are finished. You can take out page number 60. Take out page number 60 of your book, children, textbook. Drill time, word problems. Sana drew 8 balloons, out of which she colored 6 red and rest blue. Sana drew 8 balloons. Okay, she drew 8 balloons. So 8 balloons were there altogether. Let's count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so she drew 8 balloons. Now, out of these 8 balloons, children, she colored 6 red. 6 balloons with red color. So let's count. 1. She colored, this is red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So she colored 6 balloons with red color, and it is said and rest blue. And rest she colored blue. How many balloons were colored blue? So children, what you are going to do? Out of total balloons, you will total how many are there? 8. So you will subtract red color balloons. How many? 6. So the remaining will be your blue color balloons. So you know how to subtract, children, mentally. Keep the bigger number in mind. Open 6 fingers. Open 6 fingers, children. Then do backward counting from before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So where we stop, children? 2. So 8 minus 6 is what? 2. So how many balloons were colored blue? 2 balloons were colored blue. Okay. Next, Rohan made a bunch of 5 flowers, out of which 1 flower fell down from his hand. How many flowers are left in his hand? So children, Rohan made a bunch of 5 flowers. Rohan made a bunch where there were 5 flowers. Okay. How many flowers? 5 flowers. Okay. So let's draw and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. Okay. So this is 5. So how many flowers he has put in a bunch? 5 flowers. Okay. Out of which one flower fell down. Suppose children, one flower fell down. Okay. So we can remove one flower from the bunch. How many flowers are left in his hand? So how many flowers are left in his hand, children? What we are going to do, when left word is there, we are going to subtract from total the number of flowers removed. That is total how many flowers are there? 5. And how many flowers removed from the bunch? 1 flower. So you subtract, children. Keep 5 in your mind. Open one finger. Do backward counting. You will get 4. Okay, and this is also the property, children. When we subtract 1 from any number, we get the number just before it. Okay, that is just before 5. What we get? 4. That is your backward counting. Clear? So you can do this in your copy, children. Next, you can take out your workbook. Take out your workbook, page number 30. Take out your workbook, page number 30. Write down today's date there, children. 10, 9, 2020. Okay. So let's start with our first question. The difference between 45 and 5 is. The word difference, children. The word difference means we are going to do subtraction. The word difference means the answer which we get after subtraction. The difference between 45 and 5 is. That means you are going to subtract 45 minus 5. 5 comes under which place? Ones place. Okay. Here it is ones. Here it is tens. Clear? So if there is no number, we can put it 0. 5 minus 5 is what, children? 0. And 4 minus 0 is what? 4. So what difference do we get, children, here? 40. Okay. That is option D. Number 2, we have to count these pictures and we have to do subtraction. This is a group of picture. From this group, we have to subtract this. So, let's count, children. How many will you get here? You will get here 17. 17 faces, children. You have to count yourself. And here you will get in second group 17 pictures. Okay. That means 17 minus 17. So when we subtract same number, what is the difference? The difference is 0. That is option C. Okay. Next, number 3. The difference between 11 and 11 is, when we subtract the same number, children, what is the difference? 0. So option C is the correct answer. Next, number 4. While subtracting, we always begin from dash place. While subtracting, children, we always begin from which place? Ones place. So option D is correct. Number 5. Write the missing number. So you have to subtract this, children. You have to subtract 35 minus 17. Okay. 35 minus 17. So this subtraction is regrouping subtraction. So this is ones place. This is tens place. As you can see, 5 is smaller than 7. So we have to borrow 1 from neighbor, that is 3. So 5 becomes 15. So 5 becomes 15 and 3 becomes 2. Okay. So 15 minus 7, children. Keep 15 in your mind. Open 7 fingers. Now let's do backward counting. Before 15, what comes? 14. 13, then 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So where we have stopped, children? On the number 8. So 15 minus 7 is what? 8. And 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So children, 8 is there. 1's place is there. We have to write the digit of 10's place. So what is the digit in 10's place, children? 1. So the missing number is 1. Option D. Clear? So we will stop here, children. You can do this in your copy and workbook, and if you find any difficulty, you can ask me. So children, before ending the class, we'll just summarize what we have studied today. What we have studied, children, we have done some of the word problems and we have learned the technique of mental subtraction, isn't it? So children, if it is asked to subtract 8 minus 5, how will you do mentally? You will keep the bigger number in your mind. 8 should be in your mind, children. Okay? And 5, you have to open fingers. You have to open 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now we will do backward counting. Keep 8 in your mind. Open 5 fingers. Backward counting, children, we will count the numbers before 8. That is, before 8 what comes? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Where it stop, children? 3. So the difference is 3. You can do it again with me, children. Keep 8 in your mind. Open 5 fingers. Smaller number should be open in the fingers, children. So smaller number is what? 5. So we will open 5 fingers. Okay. So before 8 what comes? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So where it stop? 3. So the difference is 3. Am I clear to all? The word problems, children, which I discussed today, you can practice in your copy, and workbook questions also, which we have discussed, you can do it in your workbook. Okay? So that's all for today. Thank you so much.